Many unbearable hours later.
Alright everybody, that is another day, another dollar. That was a long day, but we got through it. So what we need to do now is we need to think about food. Are we going to cook, or are we just going to buy something and find somewhere to park up for the night? Well, this is home for tonight, folks. We'll sort of maybe now we go on. There's a big fancy house there to my left. Look at the rubbish, look at that. People doing stuff like that is the problem. That's what happens. That's why they clamp down on stealth campers and things like that. People do. Look at that. It's just there's no excuse for it. Dirty dogs. I think we're going down a bit. Away from that rubbish, you don't get the blame of it. I think just here will do nicely. So as you can see, I decided on takeaway. I just couldn't be bothered starting to cook. But this is my favourite kebab. It's called a charbab. I think I've actually showed you before on the channel, but you're going to see it again, whether you like it or not. Ooh, I'm ready for this. Just so hard to beat. Can't go wrong with a kebab. Mrs. doesn't like them, but I love them. The charbab is different than your normal, kebab place. It's shredded chicken. It's a piece of shredded chicken. And they have the Garowan sauce. It's not house sauce, it's like the Garowan, but it's delicious. And it comes peppers and onions as opposed to salad. And it works really well. The chips are really good, really nice chips. Try some chicken, please. That's so good. That hits the spot nicely. So, there's the rear. Now the front one, I'll just warn you before I flick it to the front, is shocking quality. It's getting replaced. There's one in the post coming for it all. And there's the front. It's really bad, you can hardly make it out. It's on the roof. But the next one will be on the front bumper. But the rear one's dead on, nothing wrong with that. I just have it on a little switch, flicking back and forward from front to back. The 360 stealth cam. Nothing good on that side. There's a big fancy house I was telling you about. Nice big paddle, my door, my pillar there of my car's blocking it for you so you can't see it, but yeah, I really like this little camera. A few things need to sort, but see for instance, the I can't get my words out these days. A solar panel. It reflects up onto the windscreen. It's a bit annoying, and it sort of blocks your view there of the windows. So you need to put like something over that at night time and evening times, like a black cloth or something might stop that. Yeah, it's been really handy, these cameras. But I'm going to put another. I have one each side, driver's side, one passenger side, and I'm changing the one in the front. So I'll have to do that yet, and I'm also going to keep the 360 in here, but we'll just do it as we go along. Okay folks, now that we've ate, it's time for a few bevies, I think. Don't judge me on my Guinness pouring skills here, by the way. The Guinness is a bit warm, so in the van all day, so it may not be the best. Put that to the side. And I'll rack ourselves up a commissioner. One more day to go. So up early in the morning to go to work. And then that should be us for 4 days. Cheers guys. This was definitely it. Woo! The first noise has a real kick. Oh yeah, so I'm going to stick on Murder Mystery here. Murder Mystery 2. But not much going on outside, everything's all quiet. We will do a Guinness taste test. There's the front camera doing its thing. Don't know what it's doing, it's a little mind of its own. Okay. Oh. Big white moustache. So next week I'm heading to a campsite, sort of review, test camp thing. So I'm looking forward to that because I can really chill out and bring some nice bevies, some nice food, and Depending if it's going to rain, I'll put a little tarp up. If not, we'll just chill. Yeah, so I'll bring you along for that, all being well. And I'm going to start making myself a home here. I'll save you all the old B-roll whiskey pours that I always do in the camp videos, the tent videos. I'm getting tired now, I can't be bothered. Cheers once again. We only have a couple. That commissioner tastes a bit funny. I don't know if it's just in my head, but I put it into, I poured that commissioner into a Suki bottle because I was trying to cut down weight, because I had a plan to do a camp last week and it got called off because of this old bug that's going around at the minute. Yeah, so last minute, 6 o'clock on Sunday night last week, bag packed, ready to go straight after work to go to do another roundabout stealth camp, and I had to call it, had to go home for reasons I've described there, or reasons I've shown there. But so that's scrap for now, because we're doing this stealth camp here now. We're going to go then to do the campsite one next week. And after that we'll go back out and hopefully get into like a sort of a tent or bivvy bag one. Shut him up a minute. All in that, folks, I think I might just call it a night for the recording now, and try McGuinness. One more commissioner. And go to bed, because we're up early in the morning for our final 12-hour shift. It'll be a couple of days off. Happy days. And happy to bring you back. But if not, say good night now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, folks.